Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I just wanted to do a video with both of the wind-up conversions. These are the Commodore Vanderbilts. I picked up both wind-ups in really terrible condition. And they've both been repainted, of course. I filled in all the holes in the body with epoxy putty, and then sanded them, primered them, painted them. And the red one has a Marx 400 motor in it. The black one just got a new motor yesterday. It's a early 490 motor. You can probably tell by the side rods. And the 490 and the 400 are universal replacements. The motor out of a 400 or a 490 will fit virtually any other Marx engine with the slightest bit of modification, usually just swapping out the front mounting bar. But anyway, I just want to run both of these engines so you can see them running. So the Commodore Vanderbilt wind-up conversions. Red one goes first. And the black one's pulling 2810 litho cars. So as you can see, they run well. $20 or less for each of these, and literally just made from junk. Two old wind-ups and two really bad plastic locomotives, the 490 and the 400 that I bought just to get the motors out of them. And like I said, just to swap out the front crossbar on the 490 motor, the early 490 motor, and the 400 motor will fit virtually any other Marx engine with just some slight modification. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.